Hello and welcome back to my channel. I want to show you today the full extent of the frost damage. Fortunately, there was not a big deal because just a couple of lilies went totally sideways. You can see this is Henryi, and this darker seedling, which had darker stems, was not able to withstand the cold, but the green ones are okay. So it appears that the mulch, the straw mulch, is able to protect the lilies from sprouting out too early, but I have to apply it very generously. So mostly the plants which had longiflorum and trumpet blood in them had the most problems, like here Fredo. This is an LLO hybrid as far as I know, and also LOs, OA Fields of Gold. It's a weak one, so that's surprising, and usually the other ones are okay. Some OTs and this one here, which is Easter Morn, has suffered frost damage, but the ones which had thicker straw coverage were okay. Oh, look at that. A variegated Hemerocallis survived. So this is a Aurelian hybrid OTs. Most of them will be okay, fortunately. But what I don't like is when there are a lot of shoots here. You can see maybe. Oh, try to zoom in. Okay, slowly, but it works, yes. So you can see that these leaves are still had frost damage, so the leaf mostly is white because the chlorophyll is damaged, but they will flower. And what I found problem with the straw is that the upcoming shoots push it up. Oh, this is one of my seedlings. This doesn't look okay. This is another one seedling of mine. For example, this one is Scooby-Doo, and it will flower because you can see that the center is green, and we have very nice big stems, thick stems with lots of possible buds. So here are some OTs. Laverne Freeman had some damage, and it appears that this stem is not yet totally dead. So I don't know, maybe I should stake it. This shoot is from Elusive, and the outer part has clear frost damage. You can see the water soaked spots, but otherwise it will be okay. So for next week we're going to have 25 degrees C, so quite warm. And here also you can see the damage of the frost on LO hybrids and longiflorums. Look at this huge one. This is Sweet Valley, and it appears it has some fasciation because the shoot is getting flat. And from the new plantation, this one matchmaker is already sprouting, so I should apply straw. Oh, and I decided to cover my drip tapes with straw, so maybe they can last for 2 seasons. I don't know. My issue is with the seedlings is that the ones which were OTs had some frost damage, and some of the Hypogel germinators also had some frost damage. But for example, here is Martagons. They are quite okay. So Martagons survive a lot, and interestingly also I believe that most of the Euro-Caucasian hybrids also survived. So I don't know if you can see, but these seedlings look quite okay to me. Yes, some frost damage, but it's not detrimental frost damage. And I have these wonderful Anemone ranunculoides flowering, which is great. I like this plant. And the pulmonarias. And yeah. Oh, here I had some Orientals, but they will grow and they will be okay. And I want to show you Erythronium pagoda flowering nicely. Lovely plant, and it needs acidic soil and moist, so it's going to grow even better next year, hopefully. So I think that would be all. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.